Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Happy Saturday, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday or had a wonderful Saturday, because you guys might get this video a little bit late, but from the title, today I'll be doing a day in my life. But I just want to, chill with you guys, give you guys an update and just taking you through my day. Hold on there, because my belly not feels alright. Just run a back right now. I wash the fan them and probably finish. Guys, can I tell you about teamwork? Listen. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. I'm going to show you what I get done yesterday. Other than that, right now I steam my hair with some castor oil, and it really works for me. Like, it just helped my hair to feel soft and bouncy and, make it look shiny. So you guys can try it. I don't do this all the time, but when my hair feel dry and just want some TLC, this is what I do. So normally I make it stay up on my head for 30 minutes, but it depends on my ear, it depends on my head for about 1 hour now. Because what can really go wrong though? Comment below and let me know. I didn't eat any breakfast as yet. Normally on a Saturday and a Sunday we're not really too fussy about breakfast. Just some tea and crackers. So I have some jasmine. Let me see which one this. Oh, I have some jasmine green tea. This is so good. I'm gonna show you what I do yesterday. So when you enter the room, this is how it's looking now. To be honest, I think the way how it is set before, it did look better, but this way I can open both windows, and that's a better ventilation, and then you have the bed to the wall. This made me happy because I just love the bed to the wall and not under the window. This is how my workstation set up now. I know not always a come for me about that little basket here right here, so but trust me, it's convenient. But I just basically look at ear products them and just look at random stuff. And Jace will finish clean the fan, so I gotta just bring it back into the room. You can't run the back one already, babe? Yeah. Guys, I'm back out the shower and I feel so fresh and clean. Hair clean, breath fresh. But just which word may I look for? Mr. Fresh and clean, but it's a better word. Everything just like, I love this to me. I went ahead and threw on some clothes, but before I get into it, let me give you guys an update. So I did a video where, did I? Yeah, I did. I did telling you what I use on my face, on my skin, and stuff like that. Cause when I find the good things them, I want to put you guys on. Probably wanna know it, and I say no, cause what work for my skin probably not gonna work for your skin, and what work for your skin not gonna work for my skin. But I was telling you guys that I always use Dove to bathe. I really love Dove, but I went to the store and I found something that I really love. Let me show you. This a little bit left in there, trust me, some in there, because the bottle did lay down it. You know, look away. It's this Jergens Shea Butter Body Wash. I love this. So I don't think I gonna ever stop by this. And I know somebody I say, girl, you just found that the other day and it done already, guys. And me and Jason. And with me, you know how some people that say, oh, my bed 2 times a day, my bed 1 time a day. That's on me. Anytime I feel like more on bed, me I go bed. Like all for 4 times, me I go bed. When I saw it and I read the bottom, me I said, me I go try this out and me never regret it. If me look sweaty right now, I promise you, it's not sweat. Because I moisturize my face with this. Really and truly, me use this majority of the times, but me use different lotion, guys. Because normally when me buy one body mist, it come with lotion, and you know you want to smell sweet, and yeah, me use different lotion. On my lips I use this, and for deodorant I use this. I'm just putting it on. That's that. Me really not gonna trouble them 2 platin in my ear right now because me don't know what me gonna do with it, and me don't want to catch it up while it's wet. So me gonna just jump into the kitchen, babe. Okay, you get my message? Alright then. He went out for a bit and him just come and tell me say him reach. Let's go together. So guys, I'm me and Una alone the home now. These are the chicken earlier this morning. Let me show you guys. Look, it smells so good. But yeah. Nothing like a clean kitchen. You come in the kitchen to cook and everything just clean out the way. Feels so good. Give this a quick wash out. And we're gonna start now. So I'm gonna light the oven first. Jason a day or normally I just light the oven. I mean I can do it because I did already, but it's gonna take so long because I'm not good at it. I need 1 page. Soon come back. Alright, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do it. It's out. Oh, Jason telling me something. I know I'm doing wrong. Don't wrap it up too much. I think this is good. So I'm gonna light it. Woo! Woo! Guys, light it. Smells so good. Oh my. Smells really good. And guys, I did put some oil in the container. Alright, so them can space out. Okay. Alright guys, so that's out the way. I'm gonna put on some tea now before I put on the rice because I don't want to get stick me up. Yeah, the chicken. I just put the chicken in the oven. The same chicken from the we cooked from yesterday. Oh yeah. Up to this day, still love it. Good. Guys, look at this. It came out so good. I went ahead and chopped it, but it smells really good, and guys, it tastes really nice. The rice is finished, nice and shelly, and I'm making some sauce from the same season that I blended today, and some strawberry jam and 1 or 2 little things. If you see something black in there, add the pimento seed. And guys, this is for today and tomorrow. We're not cooking tomorrow, so yeah, this is dinner. Jason just come and tell me that he's on his way home, so I'm gonna just lay down. So guys, dinner is served and baby's home. You like it, babe?
Yeah man, it tastes so good.
Jason ran him gravy all over him, chicken and him rice, so that's why his food look like that. We just put mine on the side. You want some more sauce, babe?
Yeah, Ka.
You go for?
How much you pay for it?
Boys, we did it! Mission accomplished! Hey, we can do our thing! I won! Yes!
When they're little, they grow really big that I saw them grow.
One more this?
When it grows up, that egg crack.
Good morning, beautiful people. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. I know somebody as a girl, we didn't forget what video from it yesterday. But guys, yesterday when we finished eat, my friend boys came over. I know I did hear a baby voice in the background. Yeah, my friend boys came over, put on some cartoon for accommodate them, and they end up say all of we sat down and watched the cartoon. I did start edit, but me never did finish edit, and by the time I did finish, it was like 8 o'clock. I may say no, I'm gonna just save it back until Sunday, because I know by the time if I finish do everything, it'll go be late. And I never want to upload late, because you know after I finish edit, I have to export, then upload, and then do the necessary stuff like thumbnail and stuff like that. And if you now wonder what Jason did, Jason in a man cave. Jason woke up a long time ago. Jason stay in a bed, and I woke up about 10 minutes ago. But we're gonna have a busy day today, so I'm gonna jump up, shower, and start my day. But before I get out the bed, I need to call my hairdresser and set an appointment, because I want my hair to do. So hopefully she can fit me in tomorrow or in the week. But I'm gonna end off my video right now, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your trod the journey with me, road to 100k. Bye guys.